I have here some angle clamps. I'm going to go ahead and get some boards and we're going to try these out, see how well they work, and show you how to use them. So you can use these for the precise adjustment of wood, metal, or glass with thicknesses of 8 to 26 millimeters. So this will clamp two boards together at 90 degrees. Keep in mind you're not going to want to use a board of more than about 1 inch in thickness. However, it's kind of cool, you can have different thicknesses. So you can have a wider board and a narrower board. It works either way. So I have a couple of boards here that I'm going to attach together. I'm just going to slip them down here in the clamp, line them up so they're roughly where they need to be, and start tightening the clamp down. After I'm starting to get it tightened, then I can adjust them a little bit to make sure they're exactly where I want as I tighten it down the rest of the way to make sure that it has a nice, crisp join right here at that corner. So this clamp makes it really easy to get a nice 90-degree angle. You can also use this with glue or any other type of fastener that you have. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to put in a screw with it in the clamp like this. So I'm just going to drill a quick hole. You can see everything held in place just fine like that. And then I can take my screw and run in a screw with it clamped up. Just like that. Now if I undo the clamp, you can see the clamp held everything in place while I attached the corner. So these clamps are a new generation. It makes it really easy to use and simple. It's just kind of a floating design, so you put your two pieces in and start tightening it up. It auto adjusts and gets things lined up really easy. It's nice that this set comes with 4 clamps, so if you want to, you can have one on each corner and complete a whole box or project at once because it does have 4 separate clamps. So these angle clamps are really nice. They're super easy to use. It's nice that you can do different thicknesses. It also comes with 4, so you can do a full box, have all of it clamped together, and do all the fastening at one time. So I'd recommend these to anybody that likes to do woodworking or have projects around the house and wants to have a really nice, simple, easy way to hold things at a 90-degree angle.